welcome to my channel. Today I will be making some pine slice. All right, in this bowl here, this is 2 cups of sifted flour. This flour already sifted. I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. I have half a tablespoon of clove powder or grind nutmeg and cinnamon, grind cinnamon, and half tablespoon of salt in this here. I have 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, half cup of white sugar. All right, 1 cup of white sugar. I will be using 1 tablespoon of mixed essence, and also I will be using 1 tablespoon of custard powder. All right, along with 2 tablespoons of your choice. You can either use 2 tablespoons of cold milk or cold water. That's optional. All right, and let me show you. This is 1 whole pineapple that I grate and I make this jam. So I leave it to cool first. I boil it, then I leave it to cool before I start mixing, because when you start mixing, you know, you can't stop. Everything have to well prepared, you know. So yeah, I will do another video as to how I make this and everything on another video, okay? And again, the reason why I did not use more than 1 cup of sugar, I'm sorry, yeah, I make mistakes, I'm human, is because this pineapple jam that I already made have sugar in it. And if you put a whole portion of sugar into the flour, it to me it's gonna be too sweet. So now this is optional. If people like sweet, then they can add more sugar into their stuff when they want. It depends on how much sugar you wanted to put. I put 2 cups of flour, half sugar. Listen me, you can do 2 cups of sugar or 1 cup of sugar, meaning with 2 flour. Again, it depends on how sweet you want it. All right, I know can't remember if I do mention eggs. If I did, I'm sorry, but it's 2 eggs I have to use into this thing. More flour, more eggs. All right, and the stick of butter that I'll be using is unsalted. So because it's still hard, this is a better way of grating your butter into the flour, because we're mixing this like that, like how you just do the pastry dough. This is how we're doing this, right? Like this, especially if it's hard. What I should have done first is add the the dry ingredient first, but I didn't do it. So it doesn't matter whether if you put it first or last, you still have to go in. So all right, you don't know, we are not perfect. We are here. We will make mistakes along the way, you know. Nothing that we do is intentional, but it happens. It happened. So after finish grating this, I'm gonna add the baking powder. I'm gonna set this aside like this, and I'm gonna add the baking powder, and I'm gonna crumble this butter with all the other dry ingredients together. Then I'm gonna add the egg and the essence. All right, So now if you're using this is the baking powder, your nutmeg, the clove, and the cinnamon powder. I'm gonna mix it. You must have to have a little flour for dusting. We wanted to make sure, just like how you just do the pastry dough, we want to make sure that this come like flaky, right? So you want to work this butter into the flour. So I will be back when I finish work it. Right. The sugar. So you see how the flour looking now? So now I'm gonna get the ice cold. I'm gonna use some milk, ice cold milk, like cold milk then, not ice cold milk, cold milk. I keep forgetting this is the custard powder that I now add into the mixture. All these things should have made, but it doesn't matter because I didn't put any wet ingredients inside as yet, so I'm still trying to get everything, combine everything together, so it's not too late. All right, so you see how this is now. See this flour still crumbly. So now I'm gonna add the 2 eggs. Right, now egg is optional. So for those who do not eat egg or cannot eat egg, then you don't have to. This is 2 tablespoons of the cold milk. All right, I'm gonna mix it all up, mix it. I want the egg not able to get into. Now I'm gonna add the essence, the mixed essence. So gonna be 1.5 of the mixed essence. I'm thinking that I have to use some more of this milk because 2 tablespoons I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna use. So it's gonna be 4. So eventually I had to use 1/2 cup of cold milk, not 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, wrong ingredient. Anyhow, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar below. All right, so this is how it's supposed to look when you finish. So I'm gonna bust this in two. I'm gonna just set it aside for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and roll it out. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so now I've greased this pan and I put some greaseproof paper in it, and now I'm going to roll out the dough. I'm going to bust it in two like this. This is to the bottom, one is to the bottom and one is to the top. I'm not going to mix it thick, roll it off thin. I'm sorry, gosh. I'm going to roll it off maybe like a 2-inch once it could fit. All right, the pan. I'm going to break off this pieces here and I'm going to fit it in the space that they don't have any dough. All right, like this. See? So when I finish, I will be back. Alright. Now I didn't get 2 inches as I was saying. Alright, but you gotta make sure so you spread this dough all over. Now I'm gonna add the pine like this. All over. In the meanwhile, I just put the oven to hot. All right. Spread this all over. And it depends on how thick you want this. So now I'm gonna roll out the dough and spread this over this pan. Okay, so just spread this over. All right, so and I'm gonna do the same thing because I'm gonna cut off around the edges like this, and wherever don't have the dough, I'm gonna spread it. All right. what I'm going to do is spread it out and get it neat. All right. So now I'm gonna ready to put this into the oven for bake for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, stay tuned. So this is it when it's finished.
Sorry about the little
cut it when it's cold
noise
off.
that you're gonna be hearing at the background. You know, I just trying
Remember
to
now
catch
the
up with
ends
what's
of it.
going on in
And now what we're
Guyana.
gonna be eating.
I didn't even
in the
realize
middle,
that
alright?
the thing was
Stay tuned.
so loud. I'm so
So now I'm
sorry
gonna
about that.
slice inside of it.
Alright. I always be
Like this.
trying to catch up with what is going on in Guyana.
And we're gonna
So
cut out the edges.
listening
The
to
edges.
the program,
Alright?
and that is what you might be hearing at the background. So I'm sorry. But
Right across the edges, we're gonna cut.
thank you for your kind words, encouragement to your viewers. Thank you.
Some of their workers get allowance, so they call it COVID allowance, so they had to go to pay them the allowance. And when people to strike order went on strike because COVID had started to affect the farm.
Yes, this is it, guys. And look at it. Alright. Now if I didn't make it a bit thicker, as what I said earlier in the video, it would have been much thicker, but I like this just because I don't want too much of the thing. But this is pine slice, okay? Pine slice, and this is the bottom and this is the top. Try it, guys. Tastes real delicious. Delicious. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open inside. This with a cup of swamp, maybe, or any drink of your choice. Alright, thanks for watching. Be safe, wear a mask, wash your hands, protect yourself and your family. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, love you. See you in the next one. Alright, bye bye.